पणजी महानगरपालिकेच्या वेंचणुके खातीर उमेदवारी अर्ज भरपाची प्रक्रिया सुरू जाल्या। आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांच्या भाजप पुरस्कृत पॅनलान सगळ्या 30 वॉर्डां खातीर उमेदवारी अर्ज दाखल केले। अर्ज भरचे पयलीं पॅनलाच्या उमेदवारांनी श्री महालक्ष्मी देवळांत दर्शन घेतले। उपरांत महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी आपलो उमेदवारी अर्ज सादर केलो। महापौर कोण जातलो हे विशीं पक्ष निर्णय घेतलो अशें रोहितान सांगलें।
फुडल्या महिन्यात पणजी महानगरपालिकेची वेंचणूक जावपाची आसा। या फाटभुंयेर शुक्रारा उमेदवारांनी अर्ज दाखल केले। आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हाच्या भाजप पुरस्कृत पॅनलान 30 वॉर्डा खातीर उमेदवारी अर्ज दाखल केल्यात। महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी वॉर्ड नंबर 4तल्यान आपलो उमेदवारी अर्ज दाखल केला। तशेंच आदलो महापौर उदय मडकयकार हांणी उमेदवारी अर्ज दाखल केला। 30 जागा जिखतले असो विश्वास उदय मडकयकार हांणी उक्तायला। पणजेत फाटल्या 5 वर्षांत आमी उदरगतीची कामां देखून 30 सुवाती जिखपाक आमी फावो आसा। महापौर कोणाक करतले हे विशयी पक्ष निर्णय घेतलो अशें महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान सांगले। ऐकात।
Like I said earlier also, we are campaigning on development and what we've accomplished for the city of Panjim. Based on that, I think we deserve all 30 seats in the sense that the level of development we've got, all the issues that we've resolved. We've done a lot in these 5 years. So like I said, I'm hoping that the people of Panjim see all of the work that we've done and vote accordingly. No, see, like I said also, I just want to wish them the best of luck. I'm Suren, as all of you know, has accomplished a lot during his career. If you'll ask him what exactly also, I'm sure he's told you like 100 times also. Now, we again see, everyone has good candidates on both sides also. It's going to be a tough competition. We're not taking anybody lightly. Like I said, whoever the candidate is also. And I just want to say best of luck. See, it's nothing like that. Okay? So the party will sit and they'll decide. There are a lot of, like they had said, there are a lot of mayors that are present also, I think ex-mayors also. So the party will decide and see who's the best candidate for the thing. So they will decide accordingly. We have done whatever we've done. See, if you ask anybody in the ward, it's not like no work was done. The work was perfectly done in this ward. Now Suren has slept for 5 years and he wakes up only during election time also. So any candidate who's in opposition will say the same thing also now, because they are incapable of doing anything. See, there were issues regarding to smart city also. I'm not saying that. The thing is that whenever people needed the help and everything, we were on the ground, right? We made sure that the majority of the issues were solved. Like I said, Mala used to flood every day for 15 years, and this is the one, I mean, ever since the project got completed, we were there, I think, before the project launched also in the night with Badami and all. And that was, I think, the first time we were during heavy rain that Mala did not flood. So our projects have brought relief to the population of Panjim.
BJP आणि बाबूसाहेब पॅनलच्या अंडर आम्ही फॉर्म भरला, नॉमिनेशन फाईल केला। आज आम्ही तिसरी तुमकां सांगला त्या प्रमाणे तिसरी कॅन्डिडेट नॉमिनेशन फाईल करपाची प्रोसेस चालू आसा आणि आमकां कॉन्फिडन्स आसा की तिसरी सीट आमी जिखतले म्हणून। काम ही न सोंपणारो इशू आसा। आज हे काम जालें रोखडेंच थोडे 5-10 वर्सांनी दुसरें काम येता। प्रत्येकाच्या वार्डान न सोंपणारो इशू 5 वर्सां आमकां रोहितान एज अ मेयर आमकां सगळ्या वार्डांनी भरपूर सपोर्ट केलो डेव्हलपमेंटाक आणि तेणें एक बरें काम करून दाखयलें। त्याच हेजेर आमी आज लोकां फुडें आमी फुडें समोर वता आमी इलेक्शनाक। जे डेव्हलपमेंट आमी जे केलां, जे बरें काम बाबूसाहेब पॅनलान केलां 5 वर्सां, ते तेजेर आमी लोकां कडेन मतां मागपाक वता आनी खात्री आसा आमकां की आमकां लोक प्रत्येक प्रचंड बहुमतान आमकां निवडून दितले म्हणून।
दुसरे वटेन आदलो महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी वॉर्ड नंबर 9तल्यान आपलो उमेदवारी अर्ज दाखल केला। हे विशीं फुर्तादोन आपली प्रतिक्रिया दिल्या। ऐकात।
Today I filed my nomination at 12 o'clock sharp as by my mood, and everything went out smoothly.
So how do you feel now? Ami Panjekar.
And what else I find? In the form you can't find Ami Panjekar. In the form you have to find as an individual.
No, but तुवें फॉर्म भरला पण इंडिविजुअल फाटल्यान तुज्या खूब पणजेकार दिसता जे तुजे फ्रेंड आहा पळय. So what do you have to say?
They all have support of the Panjim. Whether it's OBC or general anything, I can contest in any 30 ward. I have contested Panjim twice. I wish my friend Babush Moन्सेरात, who's my friend for the last 40 years, all the very best. Because people of Panjim have suffered, no? Now it's up to the people of Panjim.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही।